Ever wondered why pelicans have such enormous beaks? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why these birds are so fascinating. Pelicans are large water birds known for their distinctive long beaks and large throat pouches. These pouches help them scoop up fish and drain the water before swallowing their catch. Pelicans can hold up to 3 gallons in their pouches. There are 8 species of pelicans found across the globe. Most pelicans are social creatures, preferring to live in large colonies. They have a unique way of fishing called cooperative hunting. During this, they work together to herd fish into a concentrated area. Ever seen a pelican dive? They can plunge from heights of up to 70 feet. Impressive, right? Hit the like button if you found this useful.